Our new LG has a second defect. And that is the bottom freezer drawer is tight and closed on the right side, all the way up and down. But on the left side, it's open. It does not close all the way automatically. You have to usually give it another nudge after it closes. It just bounces open. And that's not good. So you nudge it shut, and then if you open up the top drawer and shut it once or twice, the bottom drawer will come open. A little bit at first, a little more. And we're using the top one more than the bottom one. So that's a problem, defect, that we'd like to have fixed.